Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very nice extension which is color highlighting in real time with live preview. So you have written CSS, basically you put properties of colors where you provide the color, background color. So the nice thing about this extension is that it will show you the preview of the color that you are selecting in a nice little manner. So you can clearly see which color you are applying right in the code itself. You don't need to refresh the page and see in the browser which color you have selected. You can directly see in the editor itself. So if I change this color in the color picker, if I select this blue color, you will actually see this color. So you can provide hexadecimal code or you can apply RGBA, which is opacity included. Now you can see it's a white color. You can change to any color of your choice, you will see. So this is actually the CSS file, so where we define these properties. So you will actually see this color highlighting appearing. So the extension name is very simple, where you need to go to extension and just type color highlight. This is the name of the extension, color highlight. So you can see it is developed by this person. So let me uninstall it and install it once again. So if you basically now see, this is the default behavior of a CSS file. So you select a color, you have this color picker, you basically see this very short little preview of the color. But this extension, when I install this extension, the color preview will become bigger, so you can clearly see which color you are applying. So this default preview is very small and it is not up to the mark. So now if I activate this extension, now click the install button, and now this extension is enabled globally. Now if you see your same file, so now if you see the colors, you can see now these colors appearing in a far better way. You can see the color highlighting. So clearly now you can actually see which color you highlighted using the color picker in the CSS files. So it's a real-time color highlighting in CSS files with the live preview of the colors. So this makes it far more easier to detect which colors that you selected, and you can rectify it, debug it right in the code itself. You don't need to open the browser to see the color being applied. So this will save you a lot of time, and in while you are designing your application, you can clearly see which color you are applying using this nice little color highlighting extension. You should definitely install it. So this is my personal favorite. I definitely use it. So this will save you a lot of time and make your code a far more easier to read as well, especially the CSS, because you use these colors a lot in CSS while designing web pages. So this extension will make that process far more easier. So you should definitely install it. Again, the extension name is color highlight. Just type this and this is the extension. So install it, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and do check out my website freemediatools.com as well, which contains thousands of free tools related to audio, image and video. And I will be seeing you in the next video.